So today we did the unboxing for AG1, and we are doing the taste test between a supplement that's off-brand, has the same exact ingredients. We're going to see how the tastes differ, and we'll give you an honest review of what we think is going to be the best one. So let's give this a shot. This one is somewhat sweet, went down pretty smooth. It wasn't chalky, didn't taste too earthy. This one was a little chalky. The flavor is a little on the bitter side, not too sweet, but they're both fairly easy to drink. So we're gonna find out which one is one and compare the products after this video.